Good morning, students. This is your GK class, and today we will be doing chapter number 22, that is Cups and Trophies. So, we are talking about the awards which are associated with different games. ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Children, in this chapter we will be learning that the cups and trophies are associated to which game. Okay, so there are some 6 pictures given in your book, and you have to name the trophies or the cups they are associated with. Okay, so we move to the first one. The first one is FIFA World Cup. Okay, FIFA, FIFA. What is FIFA full form? It is Federation of International Football Association. Okay, Federation of International Football Association means it is a association of football. Okay, and this FIFA organizes a World Cup after every 4 years, just like Cricket World Cup and Olympics. It also organizes a World Cup after every 4 years, and there are so many countries which are participating in this World Cup, mostly all the European countries and some Asian countries also. Now, this World Cup is associated with football game. Okay, so with the name only itself, it signifies that it is associated with football. Now we come to the second one. Second cup is Davis Cup. Okay, now Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Earlier also I have told you what is lawn tennis. Lawn tennis, there are two types of tennis. One is table tennis and second is lawn tennis. Table tennis is played on a long matted table. Okay, and there is a net in between the or on the half of the table, so two players or four players can play in table tennis, same as you have lawn tennis, but it is played in a lawn or a ground. So you have, there is also a net, and two or four players can play in that. So when two players play, it is called doubles, and when four player is played, when players are played, it is called doubles, and when two players are playing, it is called singles. So Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Now the next one is the Ashes. Ashes is also a cup. It is a trophy, you can say. No, it is a cup. The Ashes Cup. It is associated with cricket game, and this Ashes Cup is held between two countries. Like those two countries are England and Australia. Actually, children, this Ashes Cup is only held between England and Australia cricket tournament. Okay, it is not with the other countries. Okay, so just like when we play cricket game with Pakistan, India and Pakistan, it is a very interesting match. Same condition is with England and Australia. They are both very great rivals. मतलब एक दूसरे के बहुत कट्टर दुश्मन हैं, और उनके बीच में ये कप होता है एशेस कप. ओके, so most of the time the Ashes Cup has been won by Australian team. Okay, around 95% time Australia has won this Ashes Cup. Now we come to the next one, fourth one. This is the Musketeers Trophy. The Musketeers Trophy is associated with, again, with lawn tennis. Okay. Now the next one is ICC World Cup. Now ICC World Cup is, you already know, in India, every Indian is the fan of cricket, and after every 4 years there is a World Cup. सो इस वर्ल्ड कप को कौन ऑर्गेनाइज कराता है? दैट इज ICC, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल। ओके, सो ये वर्ल्ड कप इज दिस इज वर्ल्ड कप इज एसोसिएटेड विद cricket. Now we come to the next one. This is the Ranji Trophy. Now this is a trophy, and this is associated again with cricket, and this trophy can be played by any player or associated with any team also. Like in India, this Ranji Trophy is played in India only, and the players above uh, 19 or above 18, or below above 13 and above 15 starts, and no matter what age is it, even the Indian cricket team players will can also play this ट्रॉफी। ठीक है, तो इस ट्रॉफी में खेलने के लिए जस्ट वो अपनी प्रैक्टिस और अपनी स्किल्स को एनहांस करने के लिए भी खेलते रहते हैं, और जो न्यू कमर्स होते हैं उनको आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिलता है। ठीक है, जैसे कि कोई इस रणजी ट्रॉफी में जैसे कोई न्यू प्लेयर आया, उसने खेला और बहुत अच्छा खेला, तो उसका सिलेक्शन इसी ट्रॉफी से हो जाता है, मतलब उसका सिलेक्शन इसी गेम से हो सकता है टू द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम। ठीक है, देयर इज़ वन मोर ट्रॉफी लाइक देवधर ट्रॉफी, दैट इज़ फॉर small under 19 years, and there is CK Naidu trophy that is for under 13 years children। ठीक है, वो छोटे बच्चों के लिए होती है। So all are these trophies associated with cricket। So we come to the next below. Help Noi choose from the options given below to fill in the blanks. Now the first fill in the blanks is who won the 2014 FIFA World Cup? FIFA World Cup is associated with football. So 2014 में किस कंट्री ने जीता था फीफा वर्ल्ड कप? दैट इज जर्मनी। ओके, नाउ द सेकंड वन इज वेयर वाज द फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हेल्ड? नाउ द फर्स्ट क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप, सो ऑब्वियसली बात है, क्रिकेट इज ओरिजिन प्लेस कहाँ पर है? इट इज़ इन इंग्लैंड। ओके, क्रिकेट इज़ द गेम ऑफ इंग्लैंड, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि वो इंग्लैंड में ही सबसे पहली बार खेला गया होगा। So the answer is England. Third one, who won the Wimbledon men's singles title in 2016? Wimbledon is also a trophy which is for lawn tennis, and men's singles means इसमें दो ही लोग खेल रहे होंगे, एक ओपोनेंट टीम से और एक दूसरी टीम से। सो उसको बोलते हैं सिंगल्स। जब चार लोग खेलते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं डबल्स। दो एक टीम में रहते हैं और दो दूसरी टीम में रहते हैं। नाउ इन 2016 it was Andy Murray. Now come to the fourth one. Who won the Formula One World Championship in 2015? That is Lewis Hamilton. ठीक है, Formula One is the racing car or the racing track. Okay, Formula One, you have seen those Formula One cars which are racing on the tracks, and in that the world championship in 2015 was won by Lewis Hamilton. Next, fifth one is which country does the Olympian legend Michael Phelps? You have already learned in the sports chapter, Michael Phelps is a very great swimmer. Okay, now he belongs to USA, United States of America. So the country does the Olympian legend Michael Phelps belong to USA. So he is a very great swimmer, a record breaker swimmer. Okay, so I end up my video here. Thank you, children.